good morning everyone. Welcome back to our second session, right? Yes, everyone, in the second session, we're going to study, yes, in math book, right? Yeah, here is math book, right everyone? So now everyone get out your, yes, material and your math book, right? Yes, we will going to study. Yes, new number, right? Number, yes, 35, right? Number 35. So everyone, before we going to study, yes, number 35, teacher want to review the number that we have learned last week. So everyone, last week we learned about number, yeah, number 34, right? Okay, so everyone, number 34 has number, yes, number 3 and number 4, right? We call number 34, okay? Yes, everyone, can you spell the word number 34? Yeah, number 34. Yeah, THIRTYFOUR, number 34, okay? So everyone, today we will study new number, yes, 35, right? Number 35. So everyone, what are these? Yeah, these are, yes, colors, right? Color. So everyone, how many colors on the whiteboard? You don't know, right? Okay, so now everyone, let's read and count with teacher. Math, number 35, number 35. Count and trace, okay everyone, how many colors? Yes, you don't know, right? Yes, so now let's count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, right? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, okay? Yes, so everyone, there are 35 colors, okay? So everyone, now let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, okay everyone, so there are 35, yes, colors, right? So number 1, we trace number 35. So everyone, number 35 has number, yeah, number 3 and number 5, right? Number 3 and number 5, right? Here is number 35. So everyone, now spell the word number 35. Number 35, THIRTY, 35, FIVE, 35, 35, THIRTYFIVE, 35, okay, correct. Yes, everyone, the exercise, yes everyone, our exercise, you have to match the numbers with the correct words, right? Match the numbers with the correct word. So everyone, here is our number from number, yes, 30 to number 35, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So everyone, you have to mark the number with the correct word. So everyone, so the first one is number 30, right? So everyone, can you spell number 30? Yeah, the word number 30. Yeah, number 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. Okay, so which one is number 30, everyone? Yeah, this one, right? So now we mark to, yeah, the word number 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. Okay, and next number 31. So which one is number 31? Which one? Yeah, the first one, right? 31, T-H-I-R-T-Y-O-N-E, right? 1. Okay, yeah. So now we mark to number 31. And next, number 30. Yeah, 32. Okay. So which one is number 32? This one? No, this one is number 33, right? This one? Yeah, number 34. And this one? Yeah, this is the correct word, right? Number 32, right here. 2, T-W-O, 2, right? So now we mark to number 32. Okay, and next is number 33. Everyone, which one is number 33? Yeah, this one, right? 3, T-H-R-E-E, right? 3. Now we mark to number 33. Okay, here is number 33. And next is number, yeah, number 34, right? Which one is number 34? Yeah, this one, right? 4, F-U-R, right? Here is number 34. Okay, correct. Next is number, yes, 35, right? You just learned. Yes, everyone, which one is number 35? Yeah, the last one, right? 5, F-V-E, 35. Okay, correct. So number 1, yeah, now we review, yeah, our number from number 30 to number 35. So everyone, this one is number 30, right? Number 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y. 31, T-H-I-R-T-Y-O-N-E. 31. 32, T-H-I-R-T-Y. T-W-O, number 32. This one is number 33, right? Number 33, T-H-I-R-T-Y, T-H-R-E-E, right? 33. Next is number 34. 34, T-H-I-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R, 34, okay? Last one is number 35. Number 35, T-H-I-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E. Number 35, okay? Yes, everyone. Here's number 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Okay, so everyone, very good, everyone. So now clap your hand for yourself. Yes, my students so clever. Yes, everyone, now get out your material and your notebook, right? Yes, and open on page, yeah, 15, right? 15 all together. Yes, here everyone on page 15, right? Yeah, you will see number 35, okay? Number 35, number 35, T-H-I-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E, right? 35, okay? So everyone, so now get out your pencil, right? To trace and write number 35 all together, okay? Yeah, here is number 35. You have to write, Yes, all in the above, okay? Yeah, trace and write. And when you finish, you have to, take a picture of your work on page 35, on page 15, to write number 35. Yes, send to your, teacher, right? Yeah, teacher will take and put the score for you, okay, everyone? Yes, so now let's practice, right? And everyone, now let's practice trace and write number 35 in your math book all together, okay? Yeah, when you finish, don't forget send it to your teacher, okay, everyone? Yes. So everyone, now time's up, right? Don't forget, do your work and do your classwork, homework, right? Okay. So everyone, now, goodbye. See you on Monday, right everyone? Yes. Goodbye everyone. Good luck.